Hey guys, it's Carla. Today I've painted my chipboard with a mixture of red and white, so just a pink shade, and I've very loosely painted it, and now I'm loosely painting some watered down raw sienna on top of that. And now I'm adding a little bit of blue to it and painting some green on top of that. So just different colors, various colors, really just whatever shade of background you want. And now I'm taking some white up here in the upper left corner and lightening that because that's where my light is going to be coming from. All right, so now with a hog bristle brush, I'm mixing up kind of a shadow color. So in my darker areas, I just want to shade it. And with this hog bristle brush, I can scrub this in and have that soft look. So you can just look at your reference photo and see where these dark areas are. And you can make them any dark shade that you want, really. Now I'm mixing up a warmer shade, and I'm still using that hog bristle brush, and I'm just going to scrub this into the warmer areas. I don't have a lot of paint on my brush. I kind of offloaded that onto the plate, so it's not really dry brushing, but there's just not much paint on the brush. Now this is the same color, but just a lighter shade. I just added some white to it. And remember, the light is coming from the upper left corner. touching up the edge right here. So I'm just adding different, kind of just different shades of pink here and there. I'm still using that hog bristle brush. All right, now I'm going to start on my flower. So this is just a stem color, and I'm using a round synthetic brush for this. Now for the flower petals, I want to start with a pale blue. And I kind of dulled it down with some brown, but this is kind of a shadow color for the petals. So on your outline, each of these lines is one petal. I didn't draw out each petal, I just drew lines for each petal. Now with a small round brush, I want to keep in mind where my light's coming from. So on this center part of the flower, I just want this brown part to be on the lower right side. And then with this color, I'm kind of picking up some of that brown and almost blending it together. All right, now with pure white, just wherever I feel like light would be hitting these petals, I'm gonna brighten them up, but I don't want to cover up all of my shadow color. So now with the little bit bluer color, I'm gonna put in some deeper shadows, just here and there. And this just helps to add some more color to the flower too. And then with the raw sienna and white, I'm gonna tap in some highlights on that center, on the center of the flower. So right here I'm just deepening some of my shadows in the deeper areas. And that's it on this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you have a great day, and God bless you.